Growing through it is the only way to go through it. I started saying this a few years back after reading a quote by one of the great Stoics, and it's basically the only way out is through. And to me that means a lot of different things, but above everything, it means to me that in order to see the other side, there's no way to go back. In order to, finish a project, and you have to go all the way through a project. You can't turn around, you can't start over. Even in the middle of a project, or even after just starting, you can never go back the other way. And that, to me, has helped carry me through some very challenging times, some very tough executions, some challenging obstacles, exam practicals, competitions. Knowing that the only way to go is forward has helped me to push on. I realized that more recently when I discovered that I wasn't going to be happy if I didn't at least give my all once I committed to a project. If I sold myself short, if I stopped midway through in something, I was very dissatisfied in not completing it. Even in completing things poorly. Completing things poorly are 1,000 times better than not even starting or never even trying. Knowing that when I go through an obstacle, or knowing when I go through a process, even if I don't achieve my goal, I grow, I learn, I develop skills, I find myself in situations that I need to think my way through and develop my way through. And it forces me to do that. Deciding ahead of time, knowing that the only way through a project is to go forward, prevents me from having moments of doubt. And it helps me get through those moments where I think that I can't make it, to know that I have to. I need to complete the project that I set out on. No matter what, I grow when I'm in a project. And it's not just going through the motions to get a project completed. There is growth. There's often skills that are needed to be learned. There's often ideas that you need to overcome, and there's obstacles both physically and mentally that you're going to have to work through. And that's why I always say, growing through it is the only way to get through it. If you haven't done so already, please check out my Instagram at Gerald L. Ford. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button. Hitting that like button helps with the algorithms and gets more people to my site, and inevitably helps me have more people view my content, which allows me to produce more content. Again, I look forward to a really great month ahead, and take care. See you around.